acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. And surely you'll buy your pint cup, and surely I'll buy mine. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's magic, it's a Lionel Christmas. I'm wishing for a Lionel Christmas. Everyone has so much joy. Lionel train for every boy. Lights glowing, it's a Lionel Christmas. Whistles blowing, it's a Lionel Christmas. I am hoping that I will see a Lionel train under my tree. Hey, now Santa comes and he brings his Christmas magic. Choo-choo toys give everyone such joy. I am dreaming of a Lionel Christmas. I'm beaming, it's a Lionel Christmas. There ain't no way I'm gonna sleep tonight, and I hope Santa gets my address right. It's magic, it's a Lionel Christmas. I'm wishing for a Lionel Christmas. Everyone has so much joy. I hope there is a Lionel a Christmas tree.
Lionel trains enter our consciousness when we are very young and never really leave. Oh, they're put on the back shelf for a while, but all it takes is a chance meeting, a serendipitous glance in a hobby store window, and all those memories come flooding back. Few products inspire such loyalty, passion, and zeal. Thousands attend weekend train shows in cities all across the country. Some are operators, some collectors, some are rich, some poor, but all connected by a mutual fascination with a toy. Things change, but the basic appeal to the toy train chugging down the track never changes. It is as irresistible now in 2000 as it was in 1900.